Kusenjalo Usodolophu Wase Goli u-Dada u-Morero ufunge ngelithi uzakuwusombulula umba wetyala le-Eskom lomasipala zingaphelanga iintsuku ezilishumi elinesine ngenkxaso kaMphathiswa wezoMbane uKgosientsho Ramokgopa. uDada u-Morero uphinde waqinisekisa abahlali ukuba imeko ayimbanga kangako kwaye izibane ziza kuhlala zikhanya naphakathi kwamagingxi-gingxi amatyala.
We should accept that there were challenges there and there to find that some of our customers have not as yet moved into prepaid meters, which also creates a problem in terms of us having the ability to allocate the basic electricity to some of our customers. But there is work that we continue to do. But what we also appreciate is that this meeting has also unlocked some of the programs that we think both City Power and Eskom should focus on, especially on the charge meters and metering, so that at least at the end we don't find ourselves in this type of a situation ever. There are also issues about contracts that needs to be entered into, and this meeting has actually opened the way forward for both these entities to resolve those areas that were probably creating a bit of a problem. So I think we are Let me also re-emphasize, it's not more of a cash issue on this matter, as the city has been committing to pay Eskom. But where the city has challenges, you'd find that we are not able to pay on the exact deadline or the target date as agreed between ourselves and Eskom. There will be a 1 week delay or 2 weeks delay, depending on the cash flow position of the city. But we've always committed to ensure that our bulk services are paid and are paid on time.